How to combine clips in Filmora. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can combine clips in Filmora. It's super easy and only takes a few steps. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Filmora app on your PC and now here, once you have opened it, simply click on New Project. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply import the video that you want to combine. So here I'm going to simply click on import and after that a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, I'm going to simply go and select the video that I want to import. I'm going to simply click on open and now here, once I have imported the video, I'm going to simply add them to the timeline. So here, once you have imported the video, just add the video to the timeline and now here, once you have added the first video, to combine the video clip, just add second video after that video clip. And once you do that, the video will be combined easily. And here, even if you want to add the transition between two videos, you can easily do it by clicking on the transition option, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, under the transition, you can simply select any effect and drop them between the clips. And that's it. That's how you can combine clips in Filmora. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.